What happens to your body when you start taking L-arginine? The 10 scientifically proven benefits you can't ignore. Before we dive in, do you want to naturally boost your energy levels, improve heart health, increase blood flow, and even supercharge your performance in the bedroom? Hit that like button if you're ready for real, science-backed health hacks, and don't forget to share this video with someone who needs a health boost. Also, comment below if you've ever heard of L-arginine or tried it yourself. Now let's get started. Introduction. Could one amino acid transform your health? Imagine a molecule so powerful that it can widen your blood vessels, reduce your blood pressure, protect your heart, help you build muscle, and even improve your sexual performance. Sounds like a miracle drug? Well, it's actually a naturally occurring amino acid called L-arginine. You might have heard of it tossed around in the world of supplements and fitness. But what does the science really say? And what happens inside your body when you start taking L-arginine daily? Stick around as I break down the 10 clinically backed benefits of L-arginine that could literally transform your cardiovascular, sexual, and metabolic health. All backed by solid research, not just hype. If you want to take control of your health naturally, this video is a must-watch. Don't forget to subscribe to get more expert health insights every week. What exactly is L-arginine? L-arginine is a semi-essential amino acid, which means your body can produce it. But sometimes you need to get more from your diet or supplements, especially under stress or certain health conditions. Why is L-arginine so important? Because it's the precursor to nitric oxide, NO, a critical signaling molecule in your body. Nitric oxide is a gas that lasts only seconds but triggers powerful effects, especially in your blood vessels. The science of nitric oxide and vasodilation. Nitric oxide signals your smooth muscle cells lining the arteries to relax, a process called vasodilation. This widens your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. Why does this matter? Better blood flow means your heart doesn't have to work as hard, your blood pressure goes down, and all your organs get more oxygen and nutrients. According to studies published in journals like the American Journal of Hypertension, nitric oxide is a cornerstone of cardiovascular health, improving the function of the endothelium, the thin lining inside your blood vessels. 1. How L-arginine supports heart health. Your heart beats approximately 39 million times every year. Imagine the strain. Supporting the health of your arteries through vasodilation means the heart muscle gets enough oxygen-rich blood to work efficiently and resist damage. L-arginine helps reduce vascular resistance and lowers blood pressure, which decreases the risk of hypertension, angina, and ischemic heart disease. Real-life example. Patients with mild hypertension who added L-arginine to their regimen showed improved blood pressure control and better exercise tolerance in clinical trials. 2. What happens to your blood pressure? When you take L-arginine, 3 o'clock. Multiple randomized controlled trials have confirmed L-arginine's ability to reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure in hypertensive patients by up to 10 millimeters of mercury. By improving endothelial function, L-arginine helps normalize the blood vessel response, preventing the stiffness often seen in cardiovascular diseases. Practical tip. For optimal absorption, experts recommend taking about 3 grams of L-arginine twice daily on an empty stomach. 3. Can L-arginine enhance your sexual performance? Erectile dysfunction, ED, often results from poor blood flow due to endothelial dysfunction. Nitric oxide plays a key role in triggering the relaxation of penile arteries and allowing blood to fill the erectile tissue. Clinical studies show that L-arginine supplementation significantly improves erection quality, duration, and overall sexual satisfaction for many men with mild to moderate ED. Scientific evidence. A 1999 study published in the Journal of Sex and Marital Therapy demonstrated that men taking L-arginine reported a 40% improvement in erectile function compared to placebo. 4. How L-arginine acts as an antioxidant and protects your cells. Oxidative stress caused by free radicals is a major factor in aging, inflammation, and chronic disease. Nitric oxide produced from L-arginine acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing harmful molecules that damage your DNA, proteins, and lipids. Moreover, nitric oxide prevents the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that contributes to arterial plaque buildup and atherosclerosis. By protecting the arteries from plaque formation, L-arginine reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 5. L-arginine's role in blood clot prevention. Another critical function is its anticoagulant effect. L-arginine helps inhibit abnormal blood clotting, which can otherwise block arteries and cause heart attacks or pulmonary embolism. For people with circulatory problems or clotting disorders, L-arginine may improve circulation and reduce the risk of thrombotic events. 6. Beyond the heart, how L-arginine boosts immune and respiratory functions. Nitric oxide is a key immune modulator. It enhances the ability of immune cells to fight infections and inflammation. Furthermore, L-arginine improves oxygen delivery to the lungs and brain, which many patients report as better breathing and sharper mental clarity. Clinical insight: in respiratory therapy, L-arginine supplementation has been linked to improved lung function in chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD patients. 7. Can L-arginine help with hemorrhoids and other vascular conditions? L-arginine also relaxes smooth muscles in various sphincters throughout the body. This relaxation can reduce the pressure in vascular tissues, providing relief in conditions like hemorrhoids. Patients suffering from these vascular-related discomforts might find L-arginine beneficial as part of a comprehensive treatment approach. 8. The surprising link between L-arginine and human growth hormone, HGH. One of the most fascinating discoveries is L-arginine's ability to stimulate the release of HGH. Human growth hormone is essential for tissue repair, fat metabolism, muscle growth, and anti-aging processes. Increasing HGH levels naturally through L-arginine could support muscle building and fat loss. Athlete example: many bodybuilders and aging athletes use L-arginine to enhance recovery and maintain lean muscle mass. 9. How L-arginine supports metabolism and anti-aging. By boosting HGH and improving blood flow, L-arginine supports overall metabolic health. Better circulation means your tissues receive more nutrients and oxygen, accelerating healing and cellular renewal. 2 key factors for slowing aging and maintaining vitality. 10. How to maximize the benefits. Combining L-arginine with beetroot. If you want to supercharge the nitric oxide boost, combine L-arginine with beetroot or beetroot powder. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide through a different pathway, creating a synergistic effect. Additionally, beetroot provides boron, a trace mineral linked to hormone regulation, bone health, and brain function. Important precautions: who should be careful with L-arginine? Despite its benefits, L-arginine isn't perfect for everyone. Herpes virus carriers should be cautious. High doses can potentially reactivate herpes simplex or shingles because these viruses use arginine to replicate. In such cases, L-lysine supplements might help balance this effect. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or take medications. Is L-arginine the natural super supplement you really need? L-arginine stands out as one of the most fascinating and versatile amino acids in human health science today. Far beyond just a building block for proteins, it plays a central role in several vital physiological systems, influencing your cardiovascular health, sexual function, immune resilience, metabolic processes, and even muscle growth and recovery. This makes L-arginine a supplement worth serious consideration. But why exactly? At its core, L-arginine's significance comes from its function as a precursor to nitric oxide, NO, a gas molecule that acts as a powerful signaling agent within the body. Nitric oxide is unique in that, although it exists only fleetingly, lasting mere seconds, its effects are profound and far-reaching. Nitric oxide's primary job is to trigger vasodilation, which means it relaxes the smooth muscles lining your arteries and blood vessels. This relaxation widens your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely, reducing vascular resistance, and ultimately lowering blood pressure. Experts in cardiovascular medicine consistently highlight nitric oxide's critical role in endothelial function, the health of the cells that line the inside of blood vessels. Research published in top journals like the American Journal of Hypertension emphasizes that endothelial dysfunction, often characterized by reduced no availability, is a leading cause of heart disease and stroke. Therefore, by boosting L-arginine intake, you essentially fuel your body's own nitric oxide production, potentially reversing or preventing some of these harmful effects. But it's not just about heart health. Erectile dysfunction, ED, a condition affecting millions worldwide, is frequently linked to impaired blood flow and endothelial dysfunction. Clinical trials show that L-arginine supplementation can significantly improve symptoms of ED by enhancing nitric oxide levels, leading to stronger and longer-lasting erections. This offers a natural, science-backed alternative to pharmaceutical treatments for many men, especially those hesitant about drug side effects. Beyond the cardiovascular and sexual domains, L-arginine also exhibits immune-modulating properties. It helps stimulate the immune system by supporting T-cell function, which is crucial for fighting infections and maintaining overall immune resilience. Patients recovering from surgery or battling chronic illnesses often exhibit lower L-arginine levels, highlighting its importance in healing and immune response. Moreover, L-arginine enhances oxygen delivery not only to the heart but also to the brain and lungs. Many individuals supplementing with L-arginine report improved mental clarity, reduced brain fog, and easier breathing, which can be particularly valuable for athletes during endurance training or people dealing with respiratory conditions such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Another fascinating area of emerging research is L-arginine's ability to stimulate the secretion of human growth hormone, HGH. HGH is pivotal for tissue repair, fat metabolism, muscle growth, and slowing the aging process. This makes L-arginine an attractive option for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and aging adults seeking to maintain lean muscle mass and optimize metabolic health naturally. However, while the benefits are compelling, expert clinicians warn about the importance of supplementing wisely. For example, high doses of L-arginine might not be suitable for everyone, especially individuals with a history of herpes virus infections, since arginine can potentially promote viral replication. Additionally, its interaction with certain medications and pre-existing health conditions means consulting with a healthcare provider before beginning supplementation is essential. In real-life practice, many people have reported noticeable benefits from L-arginine supplementation: improved exercise performance, better blood pressure control, enhanced sexual health, and faster recovery after workouts. Sports nutritionists often recommend combining L-arginine with dietary nitrates from sources like beetroot powder, which synergistically boost nitric oxide production. To summarize, L-arginine is far more than just another amino acid supplement. It's a multifaceted, scientifically supported compound that offers wide-ranging health advantages. Whether you're an athlete striving for peak performance, a middle-aged person aiming to support cardiovascular health, or someone wanting to naturally improve energy and vitality, L-arginine deserves your attention. But always remember, your body is unique. Personalization, informed choices, and professional guidance are key to safely unlocking its full potential. If this video helped you understand the science behind L-arginine, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave a comment telling me your experience or questions about amino acid supplements. Your engagement helps bring more science-backed health info to everyone.